Your packing list is an inventory of the contents of your consignment. In addition to the size and number of your parcels, it includes other information required for international customs, such as an itemized breakdown of your consignment contents. In the description for each item, try to be specific and avoid using general terms like gift or clothes. You will also need to provide the value for each item. For goods shipped outside of the EU, a commodity code is also required for each item. This is an official tariff code. You can use our Finder tool or refer to the UK government website. There is a code you can use specifically for personal effects. Additional item and value descriptions may be required when sending certain goods to some countries. Please refer to the customs guidance for your destination. Your consignment summary is a brief description of the overall contents of your consignment. Your consignment value is the total monetary value of all items within your consignment. If you are a business, you will need to provide your VAT number and an EORI number if you are sending goods in or out of the EU. For further assistance with your shipment, call us on 0345 145 1212 or visit transglobalexpress.co.uk.